Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Kitchen Soul again. Here we are showing you different ways of eating the same food. Stir the masala and have it with bread or naan or chapati. As you can see, there's so much variety. Our super chef has made life easy for you. What say? What say? Wanna try? So, my dear friends, Indian food, as they say, is not all about being hot, spicy, and burns on the stomach. It's much more than that. Yes, it's about how you make it and depends a lot on the chef. And here, our master chef brings you a variety of food which is healthy and easy on the stomach and helps majorly aids in weight loss. Isn't it exciting? This was made in the morning. This wonderful dish was made in the morning. Now we can have it with bread and with other things as well. So people living in US, UK, Europe, stay away from the stereotypes. Indian food is older and much more variants, and it goes beyond like 5,000 years or so. So enjoy a kitchen soul delicacies and savor it and look out for more videos. For now, bye bye, and let's see what we come up for you again tomorrow. Tomorrow.